Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. In today's episode, we're diving into the world of office supplies to showcase a game-changing product that will enhance your writing and erasing experience: the Loddie Doddie 2-in-1 Magnetic Pink Dry Erase Eraser and Cleaning Spray. If you're looking for the best dry eraser spray on the market, you're in the right place. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes this product stand out among its competitors. First off, the Loddie Doddie eraser features an ergonomic design, which means it fits comfortably in your hand. This unique shape not only allows for easy handling but also provides a smooth grip, giving you great control when erasing. No more awkward angles or difficult maneuvers, just effortless cleaning. What sets this eraser apart is its dual functionality. It's not just an eraser, but also comes with a cleaning spray. You can use the spray to tackle those stubborn marks that don't come off easily, making your workspace look pristine and ready for action. The combination of an effective cleaning solution and a magnetic eraser ensures that you have the tools you need to maintain your whiteboard, chalkboard, or any other dry erase surface. The aesthetics of the Loddie Doddie eraser are also worth mentioning. With its cute blush pink color, it adds a touch of style to your workspace. It's not just functional, it's visually appealing too, making it a great gift for students, teachers, or anyone who loves to stay organized. One of the most convenient features of this product is its magnetic capability. The built-in magnet allows you to stick the eraser directly onto your whiteboard or chalkboard, so it's always within reach. No more searching through drawers or digging through your desk to find your eraser. Simply grab it when you need it, and you're good to go. In addition to being practical, the cleaning spray is specially formulated to be gentle on your boards while still tough on stains. Whether it's leftover markings from dry erase markers or the remnants of chalk, this cleaning solution is designed to lift those marks away without damaging the surface. You'll appreciate how effortlessly it works, allowing you to keep your boards looking brand new. Using the Loddie Doddie 2-in-1 Dry Erase Eraser is straightforward. Just spray the cleaning solution onto the desired area and use the eraser to wipe away the marks. The combination of the spray and the ergonomic eraser helps in achieving a thorough clean every time, leaving your workspace spotless. Because this product is designed for everyday use, you can trust its durability. Whether you're in a classroom, a meeting room, or working from home, the Loddie Doddie eraser can handle your everyday needs. Its sturdy design means you won't have to worry about it wearing out quickly, a perfect companion for all your erasing tasks. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that investing in quality office supplies like this one not only improves your productivity but also elevates your overall experience. With the Loddie Doddie 2-in-1 Magnetic Pink Dry Erase Eraser, you're choosing to make your life easier, more organized, and a lot more stylish. To see this product in action, be sure to check the links in the description below. And of course, if you've enjoyed this review, please don't hesitate to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Product Critique, and hit that notification bell so you can stay updated with all our latest content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time for more great product critiques.